Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children, and young adults of Benville High School. Since the gym is now registering at a balmy 89.3 degrees, we are going to bring our opening day assembly right to you in the comforts of your air-conditioned 6-hour class. So sit back and enjoy the fun as we kick off another great year here at FHS. First, let's meet the staff that make FHS the best place that it can be. Up first, we have a proud mom of a recently married son and a person to go to when you need help and support here at school, Mrs. Scoville. Up next, there for all of your tech and learning needs, Mrs. Carazelis in the Media Center. What was George Washington's teeth made out of? You can learn that and more from Mrs. Burnett. Do you know what entices growth from bamboo? This teacher does with his smooth jazz, Mr. Honorsma. For the past 20 years, this teacher has voted themselves most humorous, Mr. McCullough. Looking for someone to spill your guts? Mrs. Gray. This teacher puts the word art in parthenogenesis, Mrs. Stratton. You don't say. You don't know what parthenogenesis is? Well, this teacher could teach you, Mr. Propes. You may have seen her at the middle school, but we have now stolen her from Mr. Potts. Don't tell him. Mrs. Kiss. In a game of rock, paper, scissors, he doesn't pick paper or scissors. Mr. Rock. This teacher personally knows Louis the Laker from GVSU. That's Mr. Walsh. Coming to us from the land of Lincoln, let's welcome Mr. Dorr. Now leading our athletic teams to greatness, we have Mr. Hughes. Now this teacher, they're not here for your technology needs, but she will make you sing better in the shower, Mrs. Leonard. We stole this teacher from Mr. Potts too. Shh, don't tell him. Miss Brower. Someone's getting married soon. Miss Antonou. Do you know who killed Julius Caesar? Well, you can find out in his class, Mr. Natoli. Look out, famous TikTokers. Fenville's got our own star, Miss Ruffner. Don't make this teacher mad. She might mispronounce your name at graduation, Mrs. Hoover. This teacher had chicken enchiladas last night and didn't bring me any, Mrs. Stamfler. Giving Mr. McCullough a run for his money for being the loudest teacher here at FHS, Senor Lance. After a 20-year hiatus from FHS, we're bringing this one back from the elementary school. Let's put our hands and feet together for Mr. McIntyre. One of our newest Blackhawk family members, let's welcome Miss Caney. You need to make sure that you are nice to her. She controls your schedule, Mrs. Coffindaffer. She can teach you all of the good words to say in Spanish, Mrs. Thiel. The first smiling face you see when you walk through the office, Mrs. Klausner. Maybe the first smiling face you see when you walk in the office is her because she also works in there, Mrs. Rosas. How many S's are in her last name? Mrs. Rasmussen. If you've been in choir, you have seen her, but now you all get to see her, Mrs. Boot. Hopefully her jokes are better than the last band directors. Seriously, they better be. Mrs. Barker. He keeps the lights on and the water flowing, Mr. Brown. Wonder how government functions or how the brain works? Well, she can help you, Mrs. Delphinus. Need information about going to college, filling out a FAFSA, or anything having to do with your next steps? Mrs. Jones is here to help plan your future. She is here to extinguish the fires in our lives, Mrs. Probst. He has been voted best hair and best dad jokes. He could be an announcer for a TV show if this principal thing doesn't work out, Mr. Andrews. Let's give a big Black Hawk welcome to all our staff members here for the 2021-2022 school year.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the main event. Let's get ready to rumble!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, young adults of Fenville High School, let's get to the main event. School expectations. Good afternoon, Fenville High School. This is Mr. Andrews, your principal here at FHS. And we're going to go over some school-wide expectations to make sure that you know what is expected here at FHS and what is not. And we want to make sure that you are on the path to success here at FHS. Back at the elementary school, you have heard of respect, responsibility, and safety. At the middle school, you knew of SOAR, supportive, outstanding, accountable, and respectful. In the years past here at FHS, you have heard of HAWKS, honest, accountable, willing to try, kind, and scholarly. But we're going to change paths here at FHS, and we have our new acronym that we are looking at. And that is, in fact, PATH, as we are on the path to success for Fenville High School. And that is positive, accountable, thinker, and healthy. This also incorporates our Be Nice program to make sure that we are being nice and promoting a healthy and safe environment for learning here at FHS. Our first word is positive. We want to make sure that we're using appropriate language and volume throughout our building. We want to make sure that we are leading by example. Seniors, that's you. Treat property with respect. Our community members have spent a lot of money in the last recent years to provide us with a up-to-date learning environment. We want to make sure that we treat the property with respect. And we also want to make sure that we are respectful with all staff, peers, and yourself. Be positive. We want to make sure that you are accountable. Be on time. You might have heard the new minute bell. The sound might change eventually. But the idea is when you hear that, you have 1 minute to get to your class. Please make sure that you are on time and not tardy. Be prepared, be organized, and be responsible for your learning, your actions, and everything that you have around you. Follow individual classroom expectations. Your teachers have done a great job at making sure that they set up their expectations so you know. So please make sure that you are following them. Display self-control. Be accountable to yourself. It isn't what you do when we're watching, it's what you do when we're not watching. Display self-control and be accountable. Keep our campus clean and safe. It is so important to make sure that we have a clean and safe environment for you all to learn. Clean up after yourself and others, not only in the cafeteria, but in your classrooms and in your lockers and everywhere that you are on our campus. Please make sure that you are cleaning up after yourselves. I've been over at the elementary school watching my son, and I know that the fifth graders, fourth graders, third graders, second graders, first graders, kindergartners, and even those before kindergarten know how to clean up after themselves, so I think you can too. Please make sure that you respect the privacy of others in the private areas of our buildings, such as the bathroom. Respect everyone's privacy, please. We want to make sure that we are academically focused here at FHS, and we want you to be a thinker. Actively participate in your classes. Whatever that looks like in the classes, make sure that you are actively participating in your learning and in your education. Advocate for your needs. If you don't understand something or you need something, make sure that you are advocating for your needs. Make sure you are asking for what it is that you need. Consider the outcomes of your actions. With all consequences, with all actions comes consequences. So please make sure that you consider all of those outcomes for anything that you do. As we stated before in positive, make sure that you are using appropriate language. Super important. And be prepared to order when you're in the cafeteria. Don't be that guy or gal that stands there for 20 minutes to wait to order and then has to think about what it is that you're ordering. Make sure you're prepared to think about it. Speaking of the cafeteria and ordering food, make sure that you are being healthy. Clean up after yourself and others. Make sure that we have a healthy environment for us to learn. Keep a gossip-free, bully-free zone. Make sure that you are not starting, continuing, or being any part of gossiping or bullying in our school. That has no place here at FHS. Make sure that you are reporting dangerous behavior. Teamwork makes the dream work. We all have to make sure that we come together as a school and make this a better place. And make sure that you are empowering healthy eating habits. That's not eating 75 chicken nuggets on the way back from a field trip. You know who you are. So what's next? Over the course of the next few weeks, we'll have lessons to cover more specific expectations in the common areas of our school. That's the hallways, the bathrooms, when we have an event in the cafeteria, and all of those cool places. We will have more specific lessons about that. Are you on the path to success? Staff members will be passing out path tokens to students that are showing great Black Hawk spirit and acting in a way that exemplifies our expectations here at FHS. If you get a path token, you need to make sure that you do the following. Turn it into Miss Carazales in the Media Center. Once you turn it into her, your name goes on the bingo board. Bingo boards can be found on the TVs, both in the hallway and in the cafeteria. Once a bingo is gotten from that, the students who have those numbers will come on down to get a prize. Your token then will go into a grade level jug, and we have expectations or lines that we're going to meet with that. And once your grade level has met that, your grade level will get to have a celebration. So make sure that you are showing what it means to be on the path to success here at FHS and get your path tokens. Make sure to also turn them in. All right, we have the Principal's Challenge. Throughout the year, you will find various challenges that I have for you all. And my first challenge will be I'll be walking around looking for students that are exceeding our expectations and rewarding you with some tasty treats. So make sure that we are on the path to success here at FHS. Now it's your turn in class. Who's been paying attention? Wake up, you sitting in the corner. Yes, we have a challenge for your class. Now we are going to move into our first challenge, but it is happening in your class. Your teacher will lead you through the activity. It might look a little bit different for each teacher, and we will have some prizes down here in the office for the winners in each class. Thank you so much for a great day here at FHS. Let's make tomorrow an even better day. Go Hawks!